Look at this one. Look at this one. This one needs the probe. Yes, get the probe. Go, get the probe. No, the fucking bigger one.
Welcome to the new... Wait a minute. I'm a pilot. Crap. I'm ChuckIt, and that's what I do.
Hey guys, and welcome back to a special episode of the Noobcrew. So today, we're premiering our one and only Charles ChuckIt Hoover. Now, as you guys are well aware, Chuck normally hosts the Noobcrew, and I told Chuck, I said, man, it's about time we had you on the Noobcrew, but how do we do that? We do that by having a special guest host, the one and only Jar Jar. Man, I have been just trying my damnedest to make this the most special, kind of one-off episode I possibly could. And I've been really fighting with how to do that and how to bring that to you. But I woke up this morning and I knew exactly what I had to do. So I've spent the day doing that, and that's what we're bringing you right now. I have a whole new appreciation for what Chuck does because I've really been struggling with putting something together that I'm happy with, that feels like it honors Chuck. And Chuck does this almost every month, where he will take footage from a certain NoobTube member and try to match up music and just make it all fit together. And it's one thing to edit your own videos and your own footage. It is a whole nother challenge to do it with somebody else's. So no more waiting. Check out your ChuckIt.
My flying style is kind of known for being high energy, barely controlled chaos. It usually ends with me smashing overpriced high-end quads into buildings at full speed. Occasionally, I'll get that epic footy. Yeah. I fly a Reverb with a KISS 2 FC, 24 amp ESCs, Motorized Swift 2 XSR, Mach 2 BTX, powered by the hype train, baby. I'm Southern Californian, but I'm a trucker and I usually work around Lake Michigan. Feel free to hit me up if you live anywhere around the lake. Northern Illinois, Western Wisconsin, Northern Indiana. I'll fly with you anytime. I grew up skateboarding, snowboarding, practicing martial arts, riding sport bikes. Yeah, well, I'm too old and fat for all that now. But I found quad. Yeah. Like a lot of you, I bought a Wizard. I had no idea what to do with it. I found Aaron Icky Leslie, who just had a little more of a clue than I did. And the FPVNoobTube Facebook group was more. Thank God, because I wouldn't have made it this far without you guys. Seriously. I felt really thankful for that. So I decided I wanted to contribute back to you guys. I told Aaron that I wanted to make content for this YouTube channel. Got the green light. The rest is history. It paid off for me insofar as I gained a bunch of true friends from all over the country that share my passion and my addiction to this hobby. Quick side note, no, my quad doesn't need better tuning. I was running out of props getting you this footy. So the tennis court footy, it's a bit rough. I lost 2 ESCs this trip, so I hope you all enjoy the sacrifice.
Kiss me when you can, and my heart is bleeding.
So there you have it. Remember, if you would like to see yourself featured on the Noob Crew, just get a hold of Chuck. Send him a message on Facebook Messenger and let him know that you're interested in being on the Noob Crew. Also, remember to keep a lookout. Every other Wednesday, we host Hump Day at the NoobTube, a live streaming event where we try to have special guests on once in a while, and we feature different NoobTube members to talk about the hot topics, to keep you guys aware and abreast of everything that's going on in the FPV community. It's been my pleasure to bring you on Hump Day. Send Chuck or myself a message and we'd be more than happy to have you on. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so as new content becomes available, you're made aware. It's been my pleasure to bring you ChuckIt, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So remember to always fly smart, be safe, and happy crashing.